In this video, I'm going to show you how to buy and sell crypto on crypto.com. In order to buy crypto, on your crypto application here at the home page, you're going to see a list of options: buy, sell, deposit, send. Also, you're going to see a list of favorites here. If the crypto you want to buy is on this list, just go ahead and click on it. You also have the option to just click here at the bottom menu on trade and click on buy crypto. Whichever option works for you. It's very flexible. So let's click on buy crypto, and then here we're just going to select a crypto we want to buy. Let's go for this Z token. So when you do that, you're going to be asked to select a payment method. Click on select method. So you're going to see a list of payment methods here. If you have set up a fiat currency account, then you're going to see your fiat wallet here as well. So when you do this, just go ahead and select your payment method, enter the amount of crypto you want to buy, and go ahead and buy. In order to sell, we're going to follow almost the same procedure. We're just going to head back to the home page, and then we're going to click on trade again, and then click on sell crypto. So in order to sell crypto, you're just going to select the crypto you want to sell. When you're done selecting the crypto you want to sell, you're just going to put the amount of crypto you're willing to sell, and then you're going to enter your wallet. So if you're selling your crypto for cash, then you're just going to go ahead and enter your fiat wallet, after which you confirm the amount you're selling and then go ahead and sell your crypto.